What's going on, guys? Today we're back with another video, and today we have a pair of Cool Grade 9s. And what's crazy is we do not have any cleaning videos of Cool Grade 9s on the channel, so got this pair in pretty recently. Figured this is the perfect pair to do the video on, right? Look how dirty these are. Like, actually look how dirty these are. Let's get in there. You see that? So we're just gonna go ahead and hop to the cleaning. Shouldn't be too hard, but I'm gonna show you guys the detailed experience and everything, and let you guys know what you should do. Let's get into it. Alright guys, to start off the cleaning, I'm going to be using some Rejuvenator, and then I'm also going to be using their medium textured brush. I'm also going to be soaking the shoelaces in Rejuvenator, some water, some dish detergent, a little bit of bleach as well. For the cleaning, I'm just going to take my medium brush. We're going to start at the tongue and then make our way around the entire shoe. And then after cleaning, I take my microfiber cloth and I just go ahead and wipe all the soap away and all the moisture so they dry properly and don't leave any water staining. Alright, now that I've got the uppers clean, you guys see the uppers are nice and beautiful. Look at that. Nice and white. Everything is how it should be. Now I'm going to switch over to the stiff texture brush, alright? And we're just going to use this to clean up the entire outsole portion of the shoe. Now for the final part of the cleaning, I'm going to take my trusty steamer and just go ahead and steam the bottoms. And then we've also got these like rocks in between the Jumpman here. Just take an X-Acto knife, just go ahead and just dig them all out. And just like that, yo, we got some brand new sneakers, like literally brand new. And look how simple it was. Just follow the instructions and you'll get these results. If you want this treatment done to your own pairs or any other pairs of sneakers, just DM the IG at Drace Durations, and I will see you guys in the next one.